Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Suman and I work as a doctor in NHS UK. I trained in India and then moved to England for my higher specialty training. In this video, I'm going to share my experience of buying a mobile phone in UK. I will start from the unboxing video of my phone. We have the camera at the back. There is a fingerprint reader at the back. I'm now shooting this video from the Google Pixel phone. Let me know about the quality in the comments box below. Like all phones, it has certain pros and cons. The good points of this phone is that it is a 5G phone available with a very good camera quality. It has ultra wide lens available to it, so you can shoot good quality of photographs. It is small in size, so very easy to put inside your pocket. It also allows reverse wireless charging if you have another device which can be used for wireless charging like an iPhone. The negative points for this phone is its processor, which is not great, and other competitors have better processors in this price range. The audio quality is not great. There are two different ways. Number one is you could buy the phone from the mobile phone provider company like Vodafone, EE, 3. You can enter into a contract with them where you have to pay monthly for the phone and the services. You can also buy the phone separately, which is called an unlocked phone, and you can buy the SIM from one of this provider. Amongst these two methods of buying as a contract from a company and buying a separate unlocked phone, the second method, that is buying an unlocked phone, is cheaper in the long run. This phone cost £599 in Amazon UK, but at the moment there is a discount going on and the cost of this phone is £529. I bought a original Google Pixel case for this phone and that cost me £35. I'm going to leave the link for the Pixel phone in the description box below. You can do your own research, and if you like this phone, you can buy it from the link below.